In case you made a mistake sending a WhatsApp message privately to someone or in a group conversation, now from correcting a simple misspellings to adding extra content to the message, there is no need to delete and resend it again. Let me show you how you can edit a message that you have already sent. The new WhatsApp features allows you to do that. Thanks to this new feature. If today is your first time watching a video from this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification icon so you'll be the first to receive tips like this. Now let's get straight into it. In order for you to edit a WhatsApp message that you've already sent, and the first thing that you have to do is to open to the chat. Now let's assume maybe I want to send this message to this person, and then later I realize that I've made a mistake with the message that I sent. Instead of the well, I didn't include the L, the other L. Now supposing I made a mistake with the writings or the message that I sent, I'll be able to edit this message rather than deleting it and resending it again. Now let's see how to edit a message that you have already sent. So to do that, you need to tap and hold on the message. Now when you tap and hold on the message, you see the three dot icons at the top right here, and then you go to edit. Now the moment you click on edit, it will extract your message for you. Now over here you can just go ahead and do whatever corrections that you want to do, or even add some content to the message and then hit on the send again. And you realize that after editing the message, you will see the edited labeled below the message, showing you and the recipient of this message that this message has been edited. It doesn't show any history of various versions of your editing. Now take note that in order for you to edit a message, the message that you have sent should not be more than 15 minutes. It means that if it's after 15 minutes, you may not be able to edit the message again. So now you can just go ahead and do any corrections that you made when you send messages, or maybe add some content back to the message that you've sent. In case you are not seeing this new feature, you need to update your WhatsApp to the latest version so that you can enjoy all these new features. So when you go to your Play Store, just search for WhatsApp and hit on the update button. Now if you can do that on your WhatsApp message, let me hear from you in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Watch the next video.